Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. This Tahoe is featured in the Premier trim and is a black paint finish. Inside the vehicle we have 7 passenger seating on jet black leather seating surfaces, power folding third row bench seat, second row heated captain's chairs, as well as heated and cooled front bucket seats. In the back of the vehicle we also have a DVD entertainment system. Some of the other features in the vehicle include our powered sunroof, GPS navigation, as well as a heads-up display. Outside the vehicle, we have 22-inch black alloy wheels, a black assist step, as well as a powered hands-free liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power folding mirrors, power windows, and our child safety and rear window lock. Bottom of the door has some storage, our driver seat memory with mirror memory seat and 2 settings, as well as our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our heads-up display location, information, and brightness, traction control, parking sensors, lane keep assist, and power adjustable pedals. Also have our controls for our display cluster lighting, exterior lighting, and transfer case for our 4-wheel drive, power tilt telescopic steering column, as well as our power driver seat, finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel at our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system and all of our gauges above that. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and audio controls hidden behind. On the right-hand side, we have voice recognition, our hands-free controls for that driver information system, as well as more audio controls behind and our shifter. Push to start ignition down and to the right. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and audio, a phone connection with our Bluetooth, GPS navigation, as well as settings, video, text, and OnStar. Second page has traffic, apps, My Chevrolet, audiobooks, and weather. Putting the vehicle in reverse also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below it, we have volume and mute, radio, media, seek, our home, back, as well as menu controls. If we click our button with our screen and arrows, we can actually push the screen up, have hidden storage with a USB. Then below that, we have our eject and our MP3 player. We have quad zone climate control with front and rear dual zone. You can see it's individually adjusted. We can also adjust it directly from the back or lock our rear climate and turn it off. Have sync as well as AC, front and rear defrost, and all of our settings with fan controls in the middle. On either side, we have our heated seat back, and seat cushion or cooled seating for driver and passenger. If we push down, we have a storage space with a 12-volt plug and 2 USBs. 2 cup holders, also has our hidden storage. In our cup holders, we can see our key fob. We have locks and unlocks, remote tailgate, or remote starter, our power tailgate and power glass, as well as our alarm system. Center console is a leather finish with our wireless charger up top. Inside, we have our headphones for our DVD player, as well as our 12-volt plug, 2 more USBs, and an auxiliary input. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our jet black leather, heated, cooled, powered for the passenger. Bottom of the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings. Then moving above the rear view mirror, we have dome lighting on either side, universal garage door opener at the front, slide tilt sunroof settings, powered tailgate or liftgate with our 3 settings, controls for our dome lighting for the whole vehicle, sunglass holder with our dual zone storage. Then lastly, we have our sunroof as well as our DVD player in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our 22-inch black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have our paint match mirrors, as well as paint match keyless entry door handles and a black assist step. Walking all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have our blackout badging as with our Tahoe, Chevrolet, and Premier badging. Also have a trailer tow hitch in the center. Powered hands-free liftgate, but we also have our button release underneath. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have a little bit of storage space, as well as our power folding 60/40 folding third row seat. Can fold it directly from the back of the vehicle. Can also fold our second row seats as well to make it a fold flat system. Lastly, to close the back of the vehicle, we have power release as well as manual release on the right hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, a cup holder, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have a 120 volt plug, all of our controls for both our DVD inputs as well as our climate control and heated second row seats, 12 volt plug on the passenger side, some storage in the bottom of our console. Moving to the second row seats, we have dual captain's chairs finished in our jet black leather. Can fold them down by the side by simply pushing up. Third row seating is a 60/40 power folding bench seating. On either side, we have cup holders and a 12 volt plug on the passenger side. You can see the same on the passenger side with no 12 volt plug. On the roof, we have our lighting controls as well as our vents. And between the second row, we have our DVD infotainment system. You can see we have Blu-ray as well as all of our controls up top, as well as our dome lighting. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.